Do we need a lot of money in today's day and age to buy a nice car, to feel rich, or to look rich? I'm going to be answering the question for you. As you can see beside me, a Mercedes SLK 280 2006 registration. And look at it. The car does not look over 20 years old. Today's challenge is all about finding out if we need a lot of money to be able to feel rich, look rich. Personally, I think we don't, but I'm here to prove to you guys that we don't. We're going to be reviewing this baby over here, and what a day for it. We're out in the countryside. My name's Harris, for those of you who don't know. I'm from the United Kingdom. I love cars. I'm a petrolhead. This is what I do. This is what I enjoy. And this is the same thing I share with all of you guys. Let's walk you around the car and then we'll go out for a drive. As you can see, it's a beautiful car, this. A lot of lines and creases. The bonnet reminds me of the SLS. A long bonnet. Down the sides you've got the flared arches. It's finished in silver with the silver wheels. The spec is on point. You can't beat a silver car, especially a classic. Got the red calipers, matching the red seat belts. Nice looking car, man. And it's a hardtop. Oh yes, nice flared arches. Twin pipes. Just have a look at that paintwork. There is not a blemish on it. Fair play to the previous owner. He's looked after that. Let's take a trip down memory lane and go back to old school. We're in a 2006 Mercedes SLK 280 V6 engine. I spent my childhood in not this generation, the generation before this. My uncle used to have one, and I think I was around 7 or 8 at the time. It just feels very nostalgic. I can even remember the smell. It smells the same as it used to, what, 20 odd years ago. Something about that old car smell and how an old car drives, especially in today's day and age with all the new modern cars. It gives you a different type of feeling. It's a different experience. It is a very enjoyable experience, I must say. Beautiful cars, and the sound of that V6 naturally aspirated engine is amazing. Don't get me wrong, they're not the quickest of things, but it's not about that. It's just about going out for a nice cruise and enjoying the drive. Mercedes have always been at the pinnacle of luxury, let's be honest. And even the seats are very nice and comfy. They tuck you in. I think personally it's ahead of its time. It's got dual climate control, it's got the cruise control, it's got navigation, it's got an air scarf heater, so you get heat coming from the headrests, heated seats, electric windows. You're sat very low. We'll take the roof off as the weather's nice and dry, and then it'll just be a whole other experience. And for what they're worth, these cars right now, unbelievable. So this is where it goes back to the point, you don't need to spend fortunes on a car to feel rich or to look rich. The car still looks nice from the outside as well. It's not aged, in my opinion, a lot. Stick a private reg on it, most people won't even know what year the car is. And it's true, ladies and gentlemen, old is gold. The day and age that we're living in, there's so many different cars, so many different designs, and that futuristic sort of design on these cars now has just become a norm. You see them everywhere on the road. You don't hardly come across these old cars. So personally, when I see an older car, I can appreciate it more. And like I said, I've spent my childhood in this car, so it just feels that extra special to be able to drive one today. So far I'm enjoying the drive. The gearbox is not the best on these cars. It is delayed, but listen, it's a quick enough car. And like I said, it's a nice cruising car. For 4 or 5 grand, you can get something like this. Personally, I think it's a lot of car for the money. Something you'll enjoy, something that will not fail to put a smile on your face when the weather's nice. Take the roof off. It's got a V6 engine. I think it's fantastic. There's only one thing left to do, and that's to take the roof off, so we'll be able to get a better sound. And there's just something about having a convertible as well. The feeling's unmatched. And you get that nice breeze coming in. We're ready to go. Oh, it sounds sweet, that. Oh yes. don't get it twisted, it's not a slow car. I think they're around 230 brake horsepower for a small car, and like I said, for the purpose of the car, just to cruise around, it's more than enough. It definitely will put a smile on your face. Moral of this video is, you don't need a lot of money to spend on a car to feel good or to look rich or whatever your aim is. This one is a minter. The bodywork, exterior, interior is immaculate. Previous owner has looked after it like you look after a baby. It's only done 40,000 miles. Some feeling this. Countryside and a nice timeless Mercedes SLK. For me personally, living in this country, there's only two great things I like about it, and that's countryside and cars. You just can't beat a V6 engine. Woohoo! You don't need to listen to any music. You don't even need a 5-seater, you only need 2 seats. You only need 2 seats. You need that one loyal person in your life, and that's it, you're good to go. Just take a look at these views. You cannot beat nature. Wow. Beautiful. That just about concludes this video, people. If you're new around here, stick around, hit the subscribe button. I upload car videos as well as vlogging. My main love and passion is cars, and if there's anyone watching who's got a nice classic car like this, get in contact with me and let's get a review done on it. Furthermore, go out there and buy that old car. It doesn't need to be a brand new spanking fresh out the showroom car. Let's be honest, when you're going to go to a showroom and get a car from there anyways, the moment you buy a car from the showroom and you leave, it's going to depreciate at least 10 grand. The car market right now is mental. You could pick yourself up a bargain off a car. Like I said, this car's around £4,000 or £5,000 depending on the year, mileage, etc. But it's a clean car, only 40,000 miles on this, and you've seen the bodywork, it's immaculate. I hope you all learned from this video that you don't need a lot of money to enjoy yourself and have a nice car. And remember, old is gold. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.